Hello, my name is Hussam. We're talking today about new project. It's automotive service maintenance. First of all, we will talking about vehicle configuration. Here we will enter all data about vehicles. First of all, we will insert VIN number, then brand ID like Volvo. Maybe S60. Then we will add plate number ABC 145, motor number and model year. Then we will add warranty start date and also end date. Body color black and the same color for trim. After this, we're going to link these vehicles with the owner. We can select the owner from customers data. We can select Tom, for example, and then save. Now everything is nice and linked with this customer and these vehicles. Now we're going to create new job order. Here we first select VIN number. We can add our VIN number here. We will check this license plate ABC and brand name Volvo and model name S60. This is generated automatic. Now we're going to assign to this is for reception engineer, and this is kilometer وليكن 10,000. Here we can add any description from customer request. Workshop engineer, and this is optional for warranty engineer. Now we're going to select branch and customer Tom, and then save. We can check here status for this job order open and created by admin, and created date time is 7:36 p.m. Now we're going to add operation. Before we add operation, we can check operation configuration also. This is can done for just for one time. We can select here if we checked any operation here, we will find brand ID and model code and some service with a specific time and spare parts with a specific quantity. Here also we will add operation. We can check here, we will find only Volvo S60 operation because we filtered automatic. Now we can select 10,000 maintenance and press save. We will found automatic maintenance S60 for 10,000 kilometer with $400, and stock items with oil filter and oil Volvo for quantity with total price $740. Now we can check for stock keeper. Stock keeper has a generic inquiry to check what is going on in reception. So we can check here the job order with 70. Yeah, this one. he will find this job order with 2 items, so he can prepare the items before customer come. Now we're going to issue to create new issue. We will select our job orders. We cannot find it because this job order didn't start yet. So we go to action and start job order. Now it's started in process. Now we can go to issues and select our job. And then add inventory ID. We will find only have 2 items, 4 and 1. We will select first one, then warehouse, then quantity 4. We'll add second one, select warehouse and quantity 1. Now we're going to save and release. If we go back to job order, we will find for issue 2 items tab, we will find one reference number with 2 items and quantity 4 and 1 and release done and unit price and everything. If we go now to action and complete job order, please make sure non-stock item have been processed by open time for everyone before completing. Because we have here one service, we must create open time for it. So we're going to add time, non-stock item, then we will add open time and select the mechanical engineer, then press save. Also, if we going now to complete, we will get another message. Make sure all open items times have been closed first before completing the job order. We have one open time, but status is open, so we can't close or complete job order before close this one. Now we have to go there and select close and save and close. Now we can check status close and in time, in date, in time and duration and every information recorded now. Now we can go to action and complete job order. Also in print menus, we can print perform invoice for customer before he going to cash. But we have first to create prepare invoice from action, prepare invoice. Now finished, status finished, and we have our invoice here. If we going now to action or to print menu and print perform invoice, we will find all details about our job orders with all info and also about values after discount and tax and everything. We can now go to this invoice and just review everything, and everything is gonna okay. We can go to action, on hold and release. So this is job order done now. We have some related reports. We can check some of them. First report, we can go to customer history. If we take this number and going to customer history, we can check about history for this VIN number. This is only one visit with a specific job order number and customer ID and status finish and everything. If we going to another one, for example, this VIN number have about 15 job orders with all details about description, customer ID and status and everything. Now we can go to another report, which is job order details. If I need to check what happened today, I can select a specific date, for example today, from today to today, and then I will find we have today in our house 1, 2, 3, 4 job orders with specific VIN numbers and our customer name and business account and status 1 open and 3 finished and everything out, also brand name and reference number and everything. I can go now to check the issue. If I need to check about invoice, everything is here. Now we're going to another report. For example, job order status time. I can check this one. Here we can found started time and completed time and finished time to calculate everything or track everything about job order, because maybe sometimes customers complain about taking a long time or process taking a long time for their car, so we can check here what's going on. Also we can check, we have about 15 or 25 reports here. We can check another one, maybe loading report. We can check this report. It's workers loading report. This report taking some data about efficiency and utilization, actual hours, labor sales and attendance hour for every engineer in our home. Also we can check about total parts and labor by brand. Sometimes we need to check brand like Volvo. This is details about all job orders for non-stock and stock items and amount and total for spare parts and labor and the total also. We have some reports also. We can take another one. Current working staff. I can check here for any engineer, is he working now or he's off. no one is available now. Okay, now we finished everything. Have a nice time. Thank you.